Hello, welcome to the world of aviation. On this channel, you will learn everything you must know to your aviation career take off.
So, let's start. In this video, we will see about maintenance, the types, the approved organizations, the documents, and the regulations related to maintenance. Why we need maintenance. We need maintenance to prevent internal and external failures and reduce cost of quality through periodic inspections. The types of maintenance for an aircraft are line maintenance, routine and immediate maintenance tasks performed on an aircraft between flights. Base maintenance, comprehensive inspections, repairs, and overhauls performed in a dedicated facility. Component maintenance involves the specialized care, inspection, repair, and overhaul of individual parts and subsystems, such as engines, hydraulic systems, avionics, and landing gear. The organizations for performing maintenance can be airlines, can have a maintenance department to ensure the continuing airworthiness of an aircraft through scheduled or preventive servicing, inspections, testing, repair, and overhaul activities accomplished by certified technicians. Approved Maintenance Organization, AMO, a certified entity to perform authorized maintenance on aircraft or in their components, such as engines, propellers, etc., and operate under the supervision of the approving authority. The document for aircraft maintenance is the maintenance program, delivered to the client as the Maintenance Planning Document, MPD, prepared for the Maintenance Review Board, MRB, composed by manufacturers, regulatory authorities, and operators to ensure the airworthiness of the aircraft. This document is approved by the aeronautical authorities for the certification of the aircraft before the delivery of the first aircraft of this type. The airlines can also submit for approval by the authority a maintenance program tailored according to their operations. The document for the maintenance organization are Maintenance Organization Approval, MOA, verifies an organization's capability to safely and effectively perform authorized maintenance activities, following the maintenance program to maintain airworthiness. It is a regulatory process ensuring maintenance organizations meet required standards to perform maintenance and repairs. Maintenance Organization Exposition, MOE, is a document that details the procedures, methods, technicians, and means used by the organization to ensure safety and quality in its maintenance activities to comply with requirements of the regulations. Each approved maintenance organization, AMO, must prepare and submit an MOE for the approving authority to be authorized to perform maintenance activities.
The requirements regulating maintenance organizations, as well as airline maintenance departments, are ETANAC RBAC 145, FAA Title 14, CFR Chapter 1, Subchapter H, Part 145, and European Commission Regulations, EEU, number 1321/2014 and number 2042/2003, Part 145, both applicable to maintenance organizations, and MOA. In our next video, let's see about technical publications for aircraft maintenance and operations. Thank you for watching. If you like it, please click in the thumb below, support us, share this video, and subscribe to the channel. Bye. See you in the next video. Thank you for watching. If you like it,